Dear students, you are welcomed to the class of integers. What we are learning today is from class 5 to 10, it is beneficial. You need to learn all these things. Last day, we taught the theoretical side of integers. Today we are going to practice it. So some basic points we have to remember. Here I write a, b, x, etc. Taking them as integers, not as variables. So you have to remember that a plus b is also equal to b plus a. Then a minus b is equal to a plus negative b. Or to subtract a number, we can add its additive inverse. Next, a into b is equal to ab. Then x and a by b is equal to x plus a by b. I can simply say an example. 2 and 1 by 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 by 3. But here, if you are considering it as variable, example, x into y is equal to xy usually writing. Not 2 plus 3 as 23, we are not writing like that. So, should be remembered. Next one, product of two negative numbers or integers, they are always positive. Again, product of a negative integer and positive integer, or product of a negative and a positive, always it is negative. Vice versa, positive into negative, result negative. Again, a and negative a, or sum of a number and its additive inverse is always 0. So you must understand that a number and its additive inverse. Example, 5 is an integer, its additive inverse is negative 5. The sum is 0. Again, 1 by 2, its additive inverse is negative 1 by 2. But now we are thinking only the integers. The fraction numbers we can think later. Negative 4, its additive inverse, positive 4. So a number and its additive inverse is always 0. The other one, a into 1 by a. An integer, example 2 into 1 by 2 is always 1. Even if it is a negative. Negative 2 into minus 1 by 2 or minus half. The answer will be 1. Again, a number is subtracted from itself, we are getting 0. When we are solving problems, wherever you see the word of, it means product. Example, half of 3 means half into 3. Twice of a number. Example, twice of a number is equal to 10. Find the number. 2 into 5, 10. So the number will be 5. So simply we need to learn DMAS concepts. Now we are thinking addition and subtraction. With the help of a number line, we are practicing the DMAS of integers today. So, what do you mean by sum? That means adding, addition. What do you mean by difference? Difference. That means the difference between a large number or integer and a small number. Simply we are saying small is subtracted from large. Small is subtracted from large. That is the difference. But when we are speaking subtraction, it can be from small to large or from larger to small. So we can simplify by addition. Add. -4 and 5. What it means? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 5. And -4. Where will be -4? Before 0. -1, -2, -3, -4. How can we do it? -4 means less 4. Positive 5 means more 5. So when it is joining together, we can say if we are starting from -4, we can take 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are getting 1. I hope you can understand it. So what can we say simply? We are saying simply the answer is -4 plus 5 means 1. 1 unit front of 0 or 1 more than 0. I hope you can understand it well. So yesterday we learned -4 plus +5, which means one is negative, the other is positive. So we are taking the difference of absolute value. Absolute value of 5 is 5, -4 is 4. We are taking the difference. Difference means subtract smaller number from larger. The answer will be 1. Then we have to put the sign of the number with a large absolute, that is positive. So the answer will be +1. I hope you know it well. So you can practice. First one, -4 plus +5. Next, +4 plus +5. Next, -4 plus -5. Next, +4 plus -5. You can do it yourself. Then later I can find out the answer. -4 plus 5 we have already discussed. From -4 to 5 points on front side or right side, we are getting 1. Next one, +4, +5, that is simple addition. 4 plus 5, 9. Then negative 4, negative 5. We can take the absolute value, find the sum. It will be 9. Put the negative sign. The answer will be negative 9. Next, positive 4, negative 5. So, here is the positive 4, negative 5. We are counting backward, from right to left. Because negative means subtraction or less. 5 less than 4. From 4 onwards we are taking 5 points. We are getting negative 1. Again, we can discuss subtraction. How can we subtract a number? The same way we can do some questions. Negative 4 minus negative 5. Second, negative 4 minus positive 5. Third, positive 4 minus negative 5. Positive 4 minus positive 5. Again, negative 5 minus negative 4, 6. Negative 5 minus positive 4, 7. Positive 5 minus negative 4, 8. Positive 5 minus positive 4. First one I am just simplifying. To subtract a number, its additive inverse is added. Negative 4 plus additive inverse of negative 5, which is positive 5. You can again do the answer by yourself. The similar way, you can consider the second one. Negative 4. In order to subtraction, we are doing addition. Positive 5, its additive inverse, negative 5. We can find the answer. Again, positive 4, no change. Subtraction becoming addition. Negative 5 becoming positive 5. The additive inverse of negative 5. Again, positive 4, no change. Addition. Additive inverse of positive 5. We are taking negative 5. Again, first number no change. Addition. Negative 4 become positive 4. Again, negative 5 no change. Subtraction become addition. Positive 4 becomes negative 4. Again, positive 5 no change. Subtraction changing addition. Negative 4 become positive 4. Again, positive 5 plus negative 4. You can do the answer now. Have you finished it? Okay. So the answer 4 and 5. One is negative, the other is positive. Take the difference of absolute. Put the sign of large absolute number, integer. Again, both are negative. We are taking the sum of absolute and put negative sign. Again, both are positive. We are taking the sum simply. But as a method, we are putting positive. You can write down the answer. Again, one is negative, the other is positive. We are taking the difference of absolute. Put the sign of large absolute integer. Again, one negative, one positive. We are taking the difference and put the sign of number with large absolute. Again, both are negative. We are taking the sum. Put negative sign. Again, 4, 5 and 4. Both are same sign or positive. So taking the sum, put the positive sign. You can answer it. Again, one is negative, one is positive. Taking the difference of absolute, put the sign of large absolute number. I hope you can follow what I am speaking. 5 minus 4, 1, positive 1. 5 plus 4, 9, negative 9. 5 plus 4, 9, positive 9. 5 minus 4, 1, negative 1. Here, 5 minus 4, 1, sign negative is equal to. Again, 5 plus 4, 9, sign negative. 5 plus 4, 9, sign positive. 5 minus 4, 1, sign positive. So demas of integer is so easy, but you need some attention. The basic thing, instead of subtraction, we are going to add, or simply saying, to subtract a number, its additive inverse is added. It should be concreted in your mind. Otherwise, things will be flopped in future learning.